the end of Oak Street is valid. I'm gonna say it. The end of Oak Street is very valid. I had a very fun time with it. Sorry that I'm not doing like a proper video today. I've got a double screen. I've got Wolf of Wall Street actually in a couple of minutes. I'm just waiting for that. But yeah, end of Oak Street is valid. Good performances from both Ewan McGregor and Anne Hathaway. I thought Anne Hathaway was overacting in a couple of scenes, but she does tend to do that. She's still very good. So is Ewan McGregor, and it is a very fun watch. So yeah.